paano kami nakabili ng bahay dito sa BC. Mag-hike tayo, kwento ko sa inyo. Kaya nyo rin naman yun, guys. Ano lang kasi, ang maganda siguro sa amin is galing muna kami ng Alberta, doon sa Edmonton. Tapos nakabili kami ng bahay doon. And then, nag-move kami dito sa BC. Ibig sabihin, meron na kaming pang down payment sa bahay. And then, nung nag-move kami dito is during the pandemic. So, parang hindi masyadong ganun ka-hot yung market na nag-move kami. And then, nag-rent kami for, I think, 8 months. Tapos, parang kaya naman kami napilitang bumili ng townhouse after naming nag-rent is yung may-ari kasi ng tinitirahan namin, sabi niya, ibibenta na daw niya yung kanyang bahay. So, they're asking if we could move to their other property. So, ibig sabihin, lilipat na naman kami, change of address na naman. So, yung unang bahay namin dito sa BC is a townhouse doon sa may South Surrey. I really love that place kasi napakalapit namin sa White Rock and kahit lunchtime lang we can go there. Tapos dahil townhouse, it's a little bit more within our price range. Pagkatapos nun, kasi we are a big family, nasa amin din kasi yung parents ko nakatira, and they were getting bored. So him and I decided to look for a house na may konting yard. And dahil napakamahal ng mga tirahan dito sa BC, napunta na kami doon sa may Aldergrove. Actually, nakatira kami sa border between Langley and Abbotsford. Hindi naman ibig sabihin like napakamura. May mas mahal pa rin compared sa mga bahay sa Edmonton. Pero mas within our range na siya. Kasi medyo kumita na kami doon sa bahay. Biro nyo, in our 2 years na nandoon sa aming townhouse, kumita siya ng at least 200k. Almost 200k. So that was a very big blessing. And oo. And then so yun ang ginamit namin na pang down payment towards the house na may konting lote. Tapos ayun, we decided talaga na magtitipid na lang sa ibang bagay kasi nung nasa Edmonton kami, we were a little bit spoiled dahil maganda ang shopping doon sa Edmonton. You see the fish? I know this is very random. And of course, since we moved here, it has been 5 years. And nung unang lipat namin dito, naiisip namin, tama ba itong decision na ginawa natin? Medyo syempre mahirap mag-umpisa uli. And parang iniisip namin doon sa Edmonton, ang ganda ng bahay namin. And all of a sudden, we have to scale down here. But you know what? Kanya-kanya naman ng priorities. At kanya-kanya din naman ng kung ano ba talaga ang mga trip mo. Diba? So far, this works for us and the rest of our family. And we don't see ourselves moving out of province again in the next, 10 years? I don't know. Hopefully, pag-retire, we just go Philippines. And yeah. Anyway, I hope that helps. And I hope that you have a beautiful day.